What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best dash cam on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Jansite Mirror Dash Cam. 2025 Upgrade 10-inch full touchscreen mirror dash cam. Both 1080p front and 1080p rear camera. Super night vision waterproof backup camera. Long 10 meters backup camera cable, 33 feet. Support 128GB SD card max, not included. Dual 1080p plus 10 meters long camera cable upgrade. Both 1080p backup camera and long camera cable. Our unique 33-foot rear camera cable help you solve the short camera cable issue when installation. Both 1080p front and 1080p rear view camera provide great video quality and capture every details. No longer worry about not seeing clearly other license plates. Real-time transmission of images. Full screen view. The mirror dash cam with 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear wide-angle lens eliminates blind spots. Super night vision analogy high definition of backup camera. Both 1080p front and 1080p rear view camera present super night vision in low light conditions, also with incorporated WDR/HDR tech balancing the lights, and the help of a Starvis sensor and 6-glass lens to capture higher quality images. Driving through the tunnel or at night should be more effortless. Safe parking. The rear view camera display with guidelines assist you safe parking. When you shift into R gear reversing, it automatically switches the dash camera screen to display the rear camera's perspective. You can immediately see all back for safe reversing. Thoughtful user interface and powerful functions. Thoughtful and friendly user interface for you to operate. It is flexible and convenient for you to adjust the view angle by scrolling up and down on the touchscreen and switch the camera back and forth. The brightness can be adjusted by slide left and right on the screen. Short press power button to shut off the display screen. The dual cams are still working to record videos. Easy installation and professional team. The dash cam with stretchable front cam can be easily installed on car rear view mirror with provided rubber straps. IP68 waterproof rear camera mount on the back of car. No worry rainy. If you want paste the rear camera inside your car on rear windshield, please buy our extra bracket, AZDOME B0B8C2 TSM9. Every product of Jansite comes with 24H customer service. Any question, anytime to contact us. 24H parking monitor loop recording allows overwriting the oldest files to ensure continuous recording when the memory card reaches full. G sensor detects a sudden collision and locks the collision footage. Parking monitor enables the dash cam front and rear camera to start recording a locked video for about 20s once encounters a collision during parking. An extra ACC hardwire kit is needed for this function. In our list, the number 4 product name is WOLFBOX G900 Pro Mirror Dash Cam. Front 4K and rear 2.5K G900 Pro rear view mirror camera captures every detail with crystal clear front 4K, 3840 by 2160, at 30 fps, 8 MP, and rear 2.5K, 2560 by 1440, at 30 fps, 5 MP, resolution. Upgrade your safety and recording clarity now with this advanced WOLFBOX dash cam. The screen brightness is exceptional. The screen is extremely clear and easy to see both in daylight, as well as at night time. Starvis 2 IMX678 superior low-light performance with the Starvis 2 IMX678. Drive confidently knowing your WOLFBOX mirror dash cam will capture clear images, even in poor lighting conditions. Equipped with 7-glass lens, experience top-tier imaging technology for better road documentation. High-speed 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. This rearview mirror camera is equipped with an upgraded 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for seamless connection. G900 Pro Dash Cam mirror connects to the WOLFBOX app via Wi-Fi. Quickly download and share videos without waiting. Streamline your access to video files and maintain your dashcam's efficiency with this high-speed feature. Smart voice control. Manage essential features using voice commands. Enhance your driving safety and convenience by operating your WOLFBOX backup camera mirror effortlessly. Stay focused on the road while managing your rear view mirror dash cam functions with ease. After-sales service guarantee. WOLFBOX G900 Pro mirror dash cam front and rear comes with a 128 GB card, supports up to 512 GB card, and is backed by full 1-year guarantee. If you want to utilize the 24H parking monitoring function, a hardware kit needs to be purchased separately. Ensure your satisfaction and product longevity with dedicated customer assistance. In our list, the number 3 product name is WOLFBOX G850 Pro 4K Mirror Dash Cam. Advanced ADAS technology. WOLFBOX G850 Pro Mirror Dashcam enhances safety with advanced driver assistance system alerts, including forward collision, pedestrian collision, lane departure, lead vehicle start, and distance monitoring. This rearview mirror camera allows you to auto-monitor your surroundings, ensuring you drive confidently and securely. Enhanced BSD algorithm monitor blind spots effectively with this digital rear view mirror. Detect dangers during lane changes by your car and following car, plus rear collision alerts. WOLFBOX mirror dash cam front and rear delivers thorough protection. 4K dual-channel recording record in ultra-high definition with front 2160p, 2560 by 1440, at 30 fps and rear 1080p at 25 fps cameras. The WOLFBOX dash cam mirror features a full IPS touchscreen for easy operation, and both channels utilize WDR/HDR and wide-angle lens to capture super clear details when driving through shadows, direct sunlight, or nighttime conditions. 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity. This rear view mirror dash cam features upgraded 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for a seamless connection. Connect to the WOLFBOX app effortlessly, allowing you to download and share videos instantly. Streamline your video management and enjoy effortless access to your footage with this advanced functionality. Voice control functionality. Operate your WOLFBOX dash camera for cars with simple voice commands. Keep your attention on driving while seamlessly interacting with your backup camera mirror. 12 voice commands available, including turn on Wi-Fi, take picture, and lock the video, among others. Complete after-sales service comes with a 64 GB card. For your convenience, the SD card is pre-installed in the device. The WOLFBOX G850 Pro Night Vision mirror camera is backed by a full 1-year guarantee. To use the 24H parking monitoring function, a hardware kit must be purchased separately. Benefit from our reliable customer assistance and ensure the longevity of your device. In our list, the number 2 product name is AZDOME PG17 4K 12-inch mirror dash cam. Large touchscreen and smart 4K rear view mirror dash cam with its 12-inch front camera and 1080p rear camera. AZDOME PG17 mirror dash cam front and rear ensures detailed capturing, exceptional video quality, and effortless vehicle number plate reading. It features a 150-degree wide front angle and a 150-degree wide rear angle to minimize blind spots. Built-in Wi-Fi 6. Users can simply download AZDOME app and connect dash cam to easily manage and view recordings on their smartphone. Wi-Fi 6 ensures a smoother video playback and faster download speeds, allowing user to easily share their travel experiences and wonderful moments on social media with friends and family. 64 GB card and GPS module included. AZDOME rearview mirror dash cam provides 64 GB card and GPS module. GPS module can record driving route, speed, longitude and latitude while driving. It can provide important evidence in the event of an accident. Smart voice control. Control the rear mirror dash camera with voice command. It is easy to start or stop recording, capture still pictures, etc., ensuring a safer and convenient driving experience. Superior night vision. PG-17 4K car rear view mirror camera applies an anti-glare film to reduce glare during daylight hours and is equipped with WDR technology to enhance image details in low light conditions. 1080p IP68 rear cam. We recommend mounting the rear cam on the license plate to maximize road coverage with our 150 degrees wide-angle lens. Its IP68 waterproof rating ensures it continues to function flawlessly, even in rainy conditions. Please note that installing it inside the car may reduce recording clarity due to window films on the rear window. Loop recording and G-sensor. PG-17 4K dual dash cam records in loop intervals of 1/3/5 minutes, enabling continuous recording. When memory card is full, Dashcam will automatically delete the oldest files to free up space for new recordings. If G-sensor is triggered by a collision, the current video file will be locked and preserved, preventing it from being overwritten by loop recording function. Reliable customer services. AZDOME provides 18 months and 24/7 technical supports. Please email us when you're facing any problems with after-sales service. AZDOME R&D team will try our best to feedback within 24 hours working days. In our list, the number 1 product name is Previo H5-4CH 12-foot rear view mirror camera. Detached mirror dash cam 4-channel detached front left-right rear camera. The Quad FHD 1920*1080p mirror dash cam's 150-degree super wide-angle lens and 12 inches huge LCD screen give sharper movies and images even when traveling at high speeds, and allow you to rewatch important moments. The left side and right side camera of the mirror dash cam provide a larger and clearer perspective, solving the problem of blurry rearview mirrors after rain and ensuring safer monitoring. With GPS module and tracking speed, the new H5-4CH mirror dash cameras with external connection GPS allows it to precisely pinpoint the vehicle's location, speed, kmh/mph, time, and routes on a map in real time. Install and use the GPS player. The right side of the GPS player displays the path trajectory that has been taken and coordinates help track the precise positions of an accident, which is important for roadside help and insurance claims. Quality night vision and reassuring all-weather monitor. 2 side cameras have an f1.8 aperture. In addition to producing incredibly clear recordings, its image performance will be far superior to that of other dash cams at night. The 4-channel cameras also have the latest, most sensitive night vision image sensor integrated right into them, so they can capture stunning images even in pitch-black spaces at night that protect you around the clock. Loop recording and emergency accident locks. To assure indefinite loop recording, the oldest unlocked footage will be automatically erased and the memory card reaches its maximum storage capacity. Once the built-in emergency lock senses a collision, the H5-4CH mirror dash cam will automatically lock the currently recording footage as evidence of an event. Loop recording will not overwrite the locked files. Easy installation with no battery with the help of the reference images in our user manual. This H5-4CH mirror dash camera is very simple to install and use. Use random straps to tie onto the original rearview mirror, add a micro SD card and link to the power source. There is no battery included, preventing mishaps from sun exposure. hot temperatures inside the automobile, or battery damage.